Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily transfer QuickBooks data to Xero. So all you have to do is head over to xero.com and just log into your account by clicking on the login button. You will then be redirected to your business dashboard, and all you have to do is just click on your business name, then click on Files. Make sure that you already have your QuickBooks data ready and on CSV file or CSV format. Then from here, just click on Upload File. Just select the file, click on Open, and just by that, you should be able to transfer your QuickBooks data to Xero. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you found this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!